Hi everyone. Welcome to our video today. We are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This story is simple and easy to understand. It will help you practice English listening. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Early Life and Family. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946. He was born in Queens, New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. Donald's father, Fred Trump, was a builder. He made homes in New York. Donald's mother, Mary Trump, was from Scotland. She moved to the United States before Donald was born. Donald had 4 siblings. He was the 4th child in the family. He had 2 brothers and 2 sisters. His family had money, but they also believed in hard work. Chapter 2. School and College. Donald went to school in New York. He was sometimes too active, so his parents sent him to a military school. The school taught him discipline and leadership. After school, Donald went to college. He first studied at Fordham University. After 2 years, he moved to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. He studied business there and finished in 1968. Chapter 3. Starting a career in business. After college, Donald began working with his father. His father's company was called the Trump Organization. Donald helped build apartments and buildings. In the 1970s, he took a big step. He worked on his first big project, a hotel in New York. The hotel was old, but Donald helped make it beautiful again. It was renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This made Donald Trump popular in the business world. Chapter 4. Building an Empire. In the 1980s, Donald built many tall buildings. He created Trump Tower, a very famous skyscraper in New York City. It had shops, offices, and homes. People around the world saw the Trump name on big buildings. Donald also bought casinos in Atlantic City. He wanted to make more money. Some casinos were successful, but others lost money. Still, he kept building and working. Chapter 5. Family and Personal Life. Donald Trump married 3 times. His first wife was Ivana Trump. She was from Czechoslovakia and helped in his business. They had 3 children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. Later, he married Marla Maples. They had 1 daughter, Tiffany. His 3rd wife is Melania Trump. She is from Slovenia. Together, they have 1 son, Barron. Donald Trump has 5 children in total. Some of them work in his business. He also has grandchildren and enjoys being with his family. Chapter 6. Becoming a TV Star. In the 2000s, Donald became a TV star. He hosted a show called The Apprentice. In the show, he gave people business tasks. If someone failed, he would say, "You're fired." The show made him very famous all over the world. Chapter 7. Entering Politics. Donald talked about politics for many years. In 2015, he decided to run for president. He promised to make America great again. Many people supported him. Others were surprised because he had never been a politician before. In 2016, Donald Trump won the election. He became the 45th President of the United States. He beat Hillary Clinton, a very famous politician. Chapter 8. Time as President. As President, Donald focused on jobs and the economy. He wanted to help American businesses grow. He also worked on immigration and tried to build a wall on the border. Donald met with leaders from other countries. He spoke with North Korea's leader about peace. He made strong deals with other nations. He also tried to change healthcare, but it was a big challenge. In 2019, he was impeached, but he stayed in office. In 2020, he ran for president again, but lost to Joe Biden. Chapter 9. After the presidency. After leaving the White House in 2021, Donald went back to business. He continued to own hotels, golf courses, and buildings. Some people still support him. He has talked about running again in 2024. Even after leaving office, Donald Trump stays in the news. People around the world know his name. Conclusion: Donald Trump's life is full of big events. He was a businessman, a TV star, and a president. He faced many problems, but he always kept going. His story shows the power of confidence and hard work. Thanks for watching this video. Did you enjoy learning about Donald Trump's life? If yes, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We make more easy English videos for you. And tell us in the comments, who do you want to learn about next? See you in the next video.